get this afro today.
Hi, what happened to natural hair YouTube?
I don't know you anymore.
I want to preface this by saying natural hair content still exists on YouTube, but I'm talking about the natural hair movement, the lifestyle, the way that it dominated YouTube as a platform. Natural hair content on YouTube was heavily popularized by content creators like Natural85, AfrikanHairGod, and even channels like NaturallyCurly. What happened to NaturallyCurly?
Damn.
See, a lot of these creators, they showed us how to transition, to do a big chop, trim your own hair, try your own products, create your own hair care products. It became very normal for YouTube University to be the one space where you got all of your information on how to take care of your natural hair. But why did something that started as a way to celebrate black hair and textured hair become so problematic?
I think after about 3 minutes of using it, my eyes started to water.
The final straw was today when they released a commercial basically featuring these women. And when they released this commercial, when I tell you all hell broke loose on Black Twitter, all hell damn broke loose, okay?
Her hair was perfect and she loved it. And that's why Stephanie Merrow shared her favorite product with the world.
I fell in love with it. And I was taught how to do a curly cut. I went to Diva Academy in New York.
That love affair is now over.
Money, money, and more money. Like all great things, everything has to turn into a hustle at some point. When brands started to realize that these content girlies were doing an exceptional job at promoting certain products or platforming certain brands, it was only natural for these companies to take notice and then start sending products for reviews.
My name is Raina, and today I'm Aveda. Super excited. First and foremost, thank you, Aveda, for sponsoring this video.
And I'm so excited to partner with Aussie to show you this affordable no gel wash and go routine.
A Ver blow dryer. This thing was sent to me to review. However, they're not paying me. They're not influencing my thoughts on this machine whatsoever.
And nothing against these creators. They were really just doing their jobs as influencers, as natural hair creators. See, brands were watching as much as we were watching. So when a lot of these creators were shelling products or promoting products, they started to realize the value of the black dollar.
Hide the money, y'all. There's poor people around.
See, with the popularity of this kind of content meant these products were gonna get more expensive. Now, while some people just stuck to their Blue Magic hair grease and water,
With your broke ass.
a lot of us pedaled on. We wanted to support a lot of these brands, especially because they were black owned. Or were they?
Another popular one, however, there's not a lot of information on this. We know that this is definitely not a black owned company, and it is owned by a company called House of Chatham. This is not a black company. This was founded by Brian K. Marks. Oh, no! I do not think this man was a black man. Blue Magic was founded by George B. Long. It is not a person of colour or black owned company. Neither is the manufacturing company who now owns it.
While plenty of companies are still black owned and black founded, like Oyen Handmade, TGIN, Kinky Curly, a lot of other companies were exposed for never being black at all. But again, just understand that a lot of these companies were doing a song and dance for the natural hair community. And no one did that dance harder than Shea Moisture.
It was lots of days staring in the mirror like, I don't know what to do with it.
I just didn't feel like I was supposed to be a redhead. I dyed my hair blonde for 7 years of my life, platinum blonde.
I didn't really embrace my natural hair, but then, as I got older, I learned how to do it and I learned how to love it. Holy Grail right here.
It just gives us all the results that we need. It's kind of that go-to product.
I think a good hair day is the best kind of day.
I feel like I've conquered the world. I love my hair.
Everybody gets love.
All right, so y'all just seen that corny ass shit.
For those of you who still don't understand the impact of this, I want you to understand it from our point of view. It wasn't just catering to Black people and then turning around and saying, well, your money is not good here anymore because we want the money of everyone else. It was mostly the changes that happened around this time. See, the breaking down the aisle campaign, wanting to get out of the Black section of the hair care aisle, it was also the fact that they were changing the formulas.
They do also have natural emollient properties, so it's not as if they don't do anything by themselves, but they are also used to reduce the amount of expensive products like shea butter, mango butter, and cocoa butter. Even though both formulas make great deep conditioners, they're still not quite like the Shea Moisture that I remember.
See this one? Strengthen and restore leave-in conditioner, Jamaican black castor oil, and this one says strengthen and grow leave-in conditioner. If you've used both of these leave-ins, you definitely know that the company did change the product. I'm sorry, it even says it on the bottle as well as the ingredients. So boo-hoo, stop lying. I don't think so.
Why were these products being watered down? I understand you want to expand your reach, your business, you want to make money, but why are you then turning back to your loyal customer base and saying, well, your money's not good here? Oh, yes, it is. But how did we get here? Since when was inclusion the death of inclusion? See, the barrier of entry was incredibly limited. It felt so restrictive to consider yourself a natural. If you use heat on your hair or straightened your hair or dyed your hair, were you really natural?
Let me give her a new style, a new hairdo, a new cut, a new color.
There were so many protective hairstyle police, the waist length warriors, the juice and berries naturals, the diva curly cut cultists. I mean, it didn't matter what you were doing something wrong.
Oh my God, when I first got onto YouTube, I was watching Natural 85, Natural Reminisce, and all these people who were just showing what they did with their hair, not telling people what to do with their hair in some kind of like militant way or calling people dumb and stupid for like doing stuff with their hair. That's when it felt like a community. There was some positive purpose in people coming up here.
With all of these rules to being natural, it only made sense to just eventually leave it behind. Natural hair content still exists. I'm not saying that it's gone, of course. It obviously still has a place on YouTube. We have people who wear wigs and weaves. We have people who do wash and goes, braid outs, twist outs, you name it, it's out there. And I'm incredibly grateful for all of the creators who helped us along the way when we were lost and confused, when we weren't sure what to do with our hair, and also for the companies that are Black founded, Black owned, and still Black. Okay, no more Black before YouTube takes this video down.